as they roll by, and sold I to the merchant ship. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my head was made strong by the end of the Amati. We four were in this generation triumphantly. Won't you, won't you, won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? Was all I ever heard. Fucking redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have not fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop of the time. How long, how long, how long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it, that we've got to fulfill the book. But won't you, won't you, won't you, won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever heard, fucking redemption. Songs